Hi everyone, welcome to BR Academy. Today we are discussing theory of equations. Already we discussed expression, equation, and identity, inequality. Quadratic expressions and equations we discussed there. Once again we will discuss here. Here we know that a quadratic linear expression, that is a1x plus b, and quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c. A cubic equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d by quadratic or degree 4. An equation ax plus b equal 0. Quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. A cubic equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal 0. And by quadratic is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus c equal 0. So on n terms here. Here quadratic a polynomial f of x equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus so on an. Here a naught, a1, a2, so on an are the coefficients. Here a naught not equal to 0 because a naught is a leading coefficient. A naught is leading coefficient and an is constant term. An is constant term. Here, suppose here we know that suppose f of x equal to 0 equation. Suppose alpha is the root of this equation is f of alpha equal to 0. Here alpha belongs to complex number or real number. So here, so what is the here factor? What is the root of this? Alpha is the root of f of x equal to 0. So its factor is what is x minus alpha. So its factor is x minus alpha. For quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal 0. So it equal to we can write a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. Here alpha comma beta are the roots here. Alpha comma beta. Here polynomial. So if f of x equal 0. So here a naught f of x equal to 0, a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus so on an equal 0. Here leading term, make it leading term is leading term is 1. So what we have to do? A naught is the common. So then you will get here that is x power n plus a1 by x naught x power n minus 1 plus a2 by a naught x power n minus 2 so on an by a naught here. So here alpha 1 comma alpha 2 are the alpha 3 alpha so on alpha n are the roots of this equation. So its factors are f of x equal to x minus alpha 1 into x minus alpha 2 into x minus alpha 3 so on x minus alpha n. After multiplying, this equation is of the form x power n minus alpha 1 sum of the roots alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 so on alpha n into x power n minus 1 minus next plus 2 roots taken at a time. Here the product of the roots 2 roots taken at a time, that is alpha 1 alpha 2 plus alpha 2 alpha 3 plus alpha 3 alpha 4 plus so on into x power n minus 2. Next 3 roots taken at a time, so on n roots taken at a time, that is what here minus 1 power n into alpha 1 alpha 2 alpha 3 into so on alpha n equal to 0. Here now comparing with what here this equation here, which equation x power n minus a1 by x naught into x power n minus 1 here. So a2 by x naught into x power n minus so on an by a naught equal to 0. Suppose this equation this equal I am taking here a1 by a naught. Suppose this equation I am taking here x power n plus p1 x power n minus 1 plus p2 x power n minus 2 so on that is pn equal to 0. So now comparing here, comparing here, P1 is x power n minus 1 coefficient here, x power n minus coefficient is sum of the roots here. Similarly, after that we will get here, first here, f of x is what here, a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 so on, an is called what here, nth degree polynomial in x and a not equal 0, n is what here, n is a positive integer. So the degree is positive. So n is what here? Positive integer here. So Here a naught, a1, a2, an are the coefficients, and a naught is a leading coefficient and an is a constant term. Here f of x equal 0, the polynomial equation. Here alpha belongs to complex number, so f of alpha equal 0. Alpha is called as root of f of x equal 0. Here alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 are the roots of f of x equal 0. With the leading coefficient is 1. So f of x is what here? X minus alpha 1 into x minus alpha 2 into x minus alpha 3, so on. X minus alpha n equal 0. Here with here alpha is the root of this equation, means so what is the factor here? X minus is alpha is a factor of f of x. For quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, here leading quotient make it 1. So what are the factors here? X minus alpha into x minus beta here. So here here the relation between the coefficients here, the relation between the coefficients here. Here f of x equal 0, it is what here? Polynomial equation. F of x equal 0 is a polynomial equation. The relation between the roots and coefficients. So the polynomial is what here? Polynomial equation. F of x equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2, so on. A n equal to 0 and a naught not equal 0. Leading constant not equal to 0 here. Leading coefficient. Here, so that is leading coefficient. So that means here a naught is a common. So that is a x power n plus a1 by a naught into x power n minus 1 plus a2 by a naught into x power n minus 2 plus so on plus an by a naught equal to 0. Suppose this equation is I am taking here x power n plus p1 x power n minus 1 plus p2 x power n minus 2 plus so on pn equal 0. Suppose this equation is 1. So alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on, alpha n be the roots of f of x equal 0. Then f of x is what here? X minus alpha 1 into x minus alpha 2 into x minus alpha 3, so on, x minus alpha n equal 0. After multiply f of x equal to x power n minus sum of the roots into x power n minus 1. Next plus sum and product of roots taken at 2 times. Sum of product of roots taken 2 at a time, that is alpha 1, alpha 2 plus alpha 2, alpha 3, so on, x power n minus 2. Next minus taken 3 at a time, that is alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 plus alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 plus alpha 3, alpha 4, alpha 5, so on, that is x power n minus 3 plus so on here. So that is minus 1 power n into Sn equal to 0 here. That is, so product means here Sn is what here? Alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 plus so on f alpha n equal to 0. So sum of the roots is, suppose this is S1 and it is S2, this is S3, so on Sn. Now comparing the equations 1 and 2. So what is exponent coefficient here? Minus S1. Here exponent minus 1 coefficient is P1. So P1 equal to what here? Minus S1. Then S1 equal to minus 1. So what is S1 here? Sum of the roots. Sum of the roots, that is alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3, so on alpha n. So simply we can write this. This is a summation alpha 1. So that is what here? Minus a1 by a naught x power n minus 1 coefficient minus of x power n minus 1 coefficient by leading coefficient, that is a naught. That is minus a1 by a naught. This one minus a1 by a naught equating here. Take x2 equal to a2 by a naught, like this, so on an by a naught. See here p2 equal to what here? S2. What is p2 here? a2 by a naught. So here a2 by a naught. So here product of the two roots. Product of roots are taken 2 at a time. So that is S2. So S2 equal to how much here? Alpha 1, alpha 2 plus alpha 2, alpha 3 plus so on. So on. This equal to, we can write simply summation alpha 1, alpha 2. It is what here? A2 by a naught. Here taken S3 equal to taken 3 at a time. Alternate minus plus like this will come, because minus 1 power n is there na. N is even, it will be plus. N is odd, it will be minus. So that's why plus minus like this will come here. So P3 equal minus S3. Then S3 is what here? Minus 3. That is 3 roots taken at a time. So that is alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 plus alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 plus alpha 3, alpha 4, alpha 5. So on. This we can write here summation alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. So this is what here? Minus A3 by A naught. So on. So on. Pn equal to what here? Minus 1 power n. Pn equal to minus 1 power n Sn, minus 1 power n Sn, then Sn equal to minus 1 power n Sn. Here sum of the product of the roots, n roots taken at a time. So that is alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on, alpha n is equal to how much here? Minus 1 power n an by a naught here. So here, if alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of cubic equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal 0, then we know that S1 is what here? Alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to x square coefficient is what here? That is minus b by a. So S2 is alpha beta plus beta gamma, gamma alpha is c by a, and S3 is what here? Alpha product of the roots. Here three roots we are taking the alpha beta gamma. So product of roots what here? Alpha into beta into gamma. So that is S3 equal alpha into beta into gamma. So S3 for here suffix odd will come na, then it will come here minus. S1 suffix is will 1 come na, so here you take here it is minus 1. So that is here minus. Suffix 2, then it is plus. Next S3 here suffix odd, then you will get here minus. So that is minus d by a. Here summation alpha square we can write here alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. This one right in terms of sum and product right down here. You know that is alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square formula. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. We know that. See here alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. We know that what is S1 here? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. We know that S1 is what is here? Minus b by a. S1 substitute here, alpha plus beta plus gamma is S1 substitute here, alpha beta beta gamma gamma is S2 substitute here. So summation alpha square is nothing but S1 square minus 2S2. So here next alpha cube. It is alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. So that equal to we can write here alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus alpha minus beta gamma minus gamma alpha into plus 3 alpha beta gamma. So that equal to we can write here, see here minus plus 3 alpha beta gamma. See here alpha plus beta plus gamma, direct we know that S1. Here alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Now when do we find out na? Or we can write here alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 into alpha beta plus beta gamma gamma alpha. So what is alpha plus beta plus gamma? S1 square. So this and alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha is what is S2. That is we can write here in place of this alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square we can write here S1 square minus 2S2. Here minus common alpha beta plus beta gamma gamma alpha is what here S2. So here S1 square minus 2S2 minus S2 it will become S1 square minus 3S2. So here 3 alpha beta gamma is what here S3. So by the notation we can write here. So it is what now we discuss now. This is S1. This is here S1. So what here this is alpha plus beta plus gamma is alpha plus beta gamma is S1. So this is what here S1 square minus 2S2. This is S1 square minus 2S2 minus S2 is minus S3. After multiply, then we will get here S1 cube minus 3S1 S2 plus 3S3. Next, alpha square beta square. So same as it is already we did now alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Here also same write down here. In place alpha write down here, alpha beta write down here in that formula. In place of beta write down here, beta gamma write down here. In place of gamma, gamma alpha substitute. Same in this formula. So here what is here alpha square? Alpha square here substitute here. In place of alpha beta, here beta gamma gamma alpha substitute. See here a square plus b square plus c square. That is a plus b plus c whole square minus 2ab plus bc plus c. So here beta square, gamma square, alpha square will come here. So in this one alpha beta gamma common here. So that is this is what here S2 square alpha beta gamma common here minus 2 alpha beta gamma into remaining what here 1 beta is there, 1 gamma is there, 1 alpha is there. That is alpha plus beta plus gamma. So S2 square minus S3 into this is S3 into it is what here S1. So it is nothing but S2 square minus 2S1 S3. So similarly we can find out remaining also. Here to solve a cubic equation when the roots are in AP. When the roots are in AP, the roots can be taken as they can be taken as alpha minus beta, comma alpha plus beta. In GB, we will take here alpha by beta, alpha beta. In HP, its reciprocal of AP, that is 1 by alpha minus beta, 1 by alpha, 1 by alpha plus beta. See here. In AB, they are taken as alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta. In GP, alpha by beta, alpha beta. HP, reciprocal of AP, that is 1 by alpha minus beta, 1 by alpha, 1 by alpha plus beta. See here, the condition that the rules of ax cube plus bx square plus x plus d equal to 0 are in AP. By solving, how can we solve means here? Sum of the roots will take here and common that is a plus d minus plus a minus here a equal to substitute in this equation. Then after simplify, that condition is of the form 2b cube plus 27a square d equal to 9abc. You remember this one. Here 2b cube plus 27a square d equal to 9abc. Here 3 degree, here also abc degree 3 like this. You remember here 2 27 9. One is b cube. First b cube single term come. Next two terms. One is square, other one is single. Next three terms are single. You remember like this. B cube plus 27, that is a square d equal to 9abc. Yeah, in GB it is simple. AC cube equal to B cube. AC equal to BD. Remember, one is cube. AC cube equal to B cube D. Next one. In HP, that is 2C cube plus 27 AD square equal to 9BCD. Here, reciprocal equation. Reciprocal equation. F of x equal to 0. Put x equal to 1 by x. The equation will not change. Same as it is the equation. Suppose f of x equal to 0 is alpha root. Here f of 1 by x equal to 0 is root is here alpha beta gamma. Here 1 by alpha, 1 by beta, 1 by gamma. So these roots also same as the f of x equal to 0 and must be satisfy the f of x equal to 0 because the equation will not change here. F of x is nothing but f of 1 by x. So equations are same here. So it is called the here. So it is called what here? Reciprocal equation. Here reciprocal equations we have the types type 1, type 2. See here a naught x power n. Here what is the equation polynomial? A naught x power n. Here first term and last term are same. A naught equal to an and second term from last to second term, that is a1 equal to what here? An minus 1. Next to a2 equal to an minus 2. So first term, last term, second term from last second term, and third term from last third term is are equal, then it is called, so it is what here? First type. See here. Here a1 equal to an minus 1, a2 equal to an minus 2, so on etc. It is called first type or class 1. Here in case 2, here in this one too, so first term equal to last term, it is opposite sign. Second term equal to from last second term, it is opposite sign. So it is a1 equal to minus of an minus 1, a2 equal to minus of an minus 2, then it is called, so that is second type or class 2. Here, okay, it is first type, second type it is okay. So what is the first type here? So first term, last term same and sign is also same. Similarly second terms, similarly third terms. So in second type, so same, first to last same, but sign is opposite here. So this is called first type and second type. So here, for example, here n is odd. N is here two cases again. N is odd and n is even. N is odd. So it is in this one class 1, class 2. N is odd in class 1, class 2. So 1 is always, it must be a root of this odd degree equation here. So 1 is a root. So here class 2, it is a minus 1 is a root of this odd degree equation. Here suppose n is even in class 1, class 2. So here the degree 2m, suppose degree is power 2m is there, so that equation dividing by the 2m is suppose 4 is there, 2 into 2, so that equation divided by the x square. X power 6 is there, 2 into 3, so that equation divided by the x cube. So degree 2m, so that equation divided by the m. Here suppose n is even and class 2, so what are the roots here? 1 comma minus 1 are the roots here. Okay na? N is even, then 1 comma minus 1 are the roots. Next multiple roots are there. Okay na? Next we will discuss the problems here. First problem. If the cubic equation x cube minus ax square plus 9x minus 1 equals 0, 9x minus 1 equals 0 is identical with the cubic equation whose roots are the squares of the roots of the given cubic equation. Then the non-zero real value of A is here first option 1 by 2, here second option 2, third option 3, and fourth option 7 by 2. Here suppose here alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of cubic equation. Then cubic equation of f of x equals 0. Then alpha square gamma, beta square gamma, gamma square are the roots of f of root x equal to 0. See here. The cubic equation x cube minus ax square plus 9x minus 1 equal to 0 is identical with what here? With the cubic equation whose roots are the squares. Is what here? F of root x equal to 0, and these are identical. Identical means represents the same here. So even then what is the value of A? So what we are write here? So it is alpha square beta square are the roots of equation. Then it is what here? Given f of x equal to 0. F of x equal to 0 means here x cube minus 9x square ax square minus ax square plus 9x minus 1 equal to 0. Whose roots are square? Then its equation is what here? F of root x equal to 0. X equal to root x substitute here. Root x whole cube minus a into root x whole square plus 9 into root x minus 1 equal to 0. Here root x cube is x root x. Here minus a into x plus 9 root x minus 1 equal to 0. So here root x common, x plus 9, remaining will be said ax plus 1. Here root is there, what we have to do here? Squaring on both sides. 9 right like this. Squaring on both sides. X into x square plus here 18x plus 81 equal to a square x square plus 1 plus 2ax. So here x into x square multiply here x cube plus 18x square plus 81x, get this side minus a square x square minus 2ax minus 1 equal to 0. So this is x cube, x square common here, x square common, 18 minus a square plus x common, 81 minus 2a. Here my constant is what here? Minus 1. Here given equation 1 and 2. Suppose this is 2. 2 are identical. So what is here? 18 minus a square. So here x square x cube minus ax square plus 9x minus 1 equal 0. F of root x. So that is a root x. A into x. This is ax. Ax. So it is x equal to 9 root x minus 1. So squaring on both sides. This is x plus 9 ax plus 1. So x into x square plus 18x plus 81 equal to a square x square plus 1 to x. Get this side x cube. So it is how much here? X square. So what is here? X square common, 81 minus a square. So 1 and 2 identical. 1 and 2 are what here? Identical. So here 18 minus a square. It is how much here? Minus a. It is what here? X square quotient is what here? Minus a. It is minus a. Minus a. So that implies which equation this is? A square. A square minus a plus 18 equal to 0. So what are the factors here? Minus a. 18 minus a square minus a plus 18 here. Factors may not here. So it is plus ax, it is also not 9x. It is ax right on. It is ax. So here it is ax. Ax, it is also a root x. So here root x common, x plus a. X plus a equal to ax plus 1. So it is x square plus this is how much here? 2ax plus a square. 2ax plus a square. So now multiply here. Now multiply. So that implies x cube plus 2ax square plus b square is there. Plus what here? A square is there. So that is a square x equal to a square x square plus 1 plus 2ax. So that implies x cube, x square common, 2a minus a square. Here x common, a square minus 2a minus 1 equal to 0. So 1 and 2 are what here? Identical. 1 and 2 are identical. So 2a minus a square equal to how much here? Minus a. That implies, so that implies how much here? A square equal to 3a. A square equal to 3a. 1a cancel. Then a is how much here? 3. Which option correct here? Third option. Next one. If the roots alpha, beta, gamma of the equation x cube minus 6x square plus px plus 10 equal 0 plus 10 equal 0 are in AP. Then alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube equal to dash here. So here, so what is given in options here? First option 132, and second option 134, third one 629, and fourth one 645. See here. What is given here? Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube minus 6x square plus px plus c equals 0. What is the given here? X cube minus 6x square plus px plus 10 equals 0. So sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma equal how much here? 6. And what is given? These roots are in AP. So alpha, beta, gamma are in AP. Then we know that 2 beta equal to here alpha plus gamma. Here substitute here. Here gamma alpha plus gamma equals substitute here 2 beta. 2 beta plus beta 3 beta equals 6. Then beta equals how much here? Here beta is the root of this given equation. So beta equals substitute the given equation. That is a 2 cube is 8. 2 square is 4. 4 is 24. Plus 2p plus 10 equal to 0. So that implies, so it is 18. 18 minus 24 minus 6. So 2p equal to 6. Then p equal how much here? Now p equal to 3. Substitute the given equation. That is x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus 10 equal to 0. So what we are finding out here? Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is dash. So we know that summation alpha cube is alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube equal to, we can write here alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus alpha minus beta minus gamma alpha plus 3 alpha beta gamma. We know that this is. Here alpha plus beta plus gamma is what is S1. Here alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is S1 square minus 2S2. Minus 2S2. It is minus common here, it is also S2. So plus 3S3. So that equal to S1 into S1 square minus 3S2 plus 3S3. So that equal to S1 into S1. S1 cube minus 3 S1 S2 plus 3S3. Now substitute here. So what is S1 here? S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma is 6. That is 6 cube. Yeah, that is how much here? 6 cube. Next minus 3 S1 S2 minus 3 is into 6 S2. What is S2 here? S2 equal to P. What is P value here? 3. So into 3. Into 3. Next plus 3 S3. S3 is how much here? Minus 10. Minus 3 into 10. So simplify here. This is 6 cube. 36. 36 into 6. 216. 216 minus 3 3 9. 9 is 54 minus 30. Now subtract here. So that is 216 minus 84. So 84 64 is it is 2. So it is how much here? 3 132. So it is how much here? This is first option equal to 132. So first you take here alpha plus beta sum of the roots. These are in AP. Substitute here, then you get the beta value. After that we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube formula, and substitute here we will get the result. Next, third one. If each root of the equation two x cube plus ax square minus 8x plus b equal to 0 is reduced by 1. Then in the transformed equation that formed the term containing x square, the term containing x square, containing x square and the constant term vanishing the roots of the original equation are So first one given here 1 minus 3 2 1 minus 3 2. Second one 1 comma 1 plus or minus root 7. And third one 1 comma 1 comma minus 6. And fourth one 1 comma 3 root 2 comma minus root 2. Here we know that alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of f of x equal 0. F of x equal 0. Alpha minus k, comma beta minus k, comma gamma minus k are the roots of f of x plus k equal 0. So what is given here? K is how much here? It is by 1. So that is reduced by 1. So k equal 1 substitute here. Then this equation is f of x plus 1 equal to 0. Here each root of the equation is reduced by 1. So what is the equation reduced by 1 means? That is f of x plus k equal 0. That is f of x plus 1 equal 0. So what is the given equation? F of x equal to 2x cube plus ax square minus 8x plus b equal 0. Then f of x plus 1 equal to, in place of x substitute here, x plus 1 whole cube plus a into x plus 1 whole square minus 8 into x plus 1 plus b equal to 0. Simplify here. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square 3x plus a into x square plus 1 plus 2x plus 8x plus 8 plus b equal to 0. Now multiply the 2, that is 2x cube plus 2 6x square plus 6x plus ax square plus a plus 2ax plus 8x plus 8 plus b equal 0. So x cube write down first. Next x square terms 1 2 terms are there. So that is 6 plus a into x square. Next x terms 1 2 3 x common, that is 6 plus 2a plus 8 into x. Next constants 2 plus a plus 8 plus b equal to 0. So here what is given here? The term containing x square. And constant of vanishing means it must be a 0. Vanishing means it must be a 0 quotients. So that is 6 plus a equal 0 and here 2 plus a plus 8 plus b equal to 0. So here minus 8x, that is minus 8x minus 8. This is minus 8x minus 8. Here also minus 8x minus 8. Here x common, then it is how much here? Minus 8x. Here constant you will get here minus 8. It is also minus 8 you will get here. See here. A equal how much here? A equal minus 6. A equal substitute here. Here 2 minus 8 minus 6. Here minus 6 plus b equal to 0. A plus B. So that is equal to 0. Then B equal how much here? B equal to minus 12. Now substitute here. So that equation will become 2x cube and plus ax square. Ax square is what here? Minus 6x square. Minus 6x square and minus 8x. B is how much here? Minus 12 equal 0. So x equal 1 we take here. Satisfying roots trial and error. 1, 2 minus 6, minus 4, minus 8. So it is minus 12 plus 12. B equal plus 12. It is how much here? Plus 12. So it is satisfying here. X equal 1, then 0 equal to 0. By the synthetic division we can do. This is take the coefficients here. 2, minus 6, minus 8, 12. So 1 we take here. First we put 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. It's 1 into 2. Make it a minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. 1 into minus 4. Minus 4. It is minus 12. So it is minus 12. It is 0. So this equal to we can write here. X minus 1 into 2x square minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. So what are the roots here? One of the root is x equal 1. X equal 1. Here 2 common in this one. X square minus 2x minus 6 equal 0. Then x equal to minus b plus r means 2 plus r minus under root b square. 4ac, that is 4ac, that is 24 by 2. That equal to 2 plus r minus it is 28. 28 we can write here 2 root 7 by 2. 2 common cancel. 1 plus r minus root 7. So what are the roots here? 1 and 1 plus r minus root 7. The roots of the original equation are 1 comma 1 plus r minus root 7. Next. Fourth one. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of the equation x cube minus ax square plus bx minus a equal 0. Then summation alpha square into beta plus gamma equal to dash. First option AB minus 3C and second one AB minus 3C by 2 and third one B square minus 2AC by C square and fourth one A square minus 2B by C square. See here alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation. X cube minus ax square plus bx minus c equal 0. So what is the given equation? X cube minus ax square plus bx minus c equal 0. Then sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma equal how much here? A. So here beta plus gamma equal to a minus alpha. Beta plus gamma equal how much here? A minus alpha. Now you take this one here. Alpha square into beta plus gamma equal to, we can write here. What is beta plus gamma? Here a minus alpha substitute here. That is multiply with a, that is a into alpha square minus alpha into alpha square alpha cube. So that equal to a into alpha square. Summation alpha square we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 into alpha plus beta plus beta gamma gamma alpha. Next alpha cube is alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus alpha beta minus beta gamma minus gamma alpha plus 3 alpha beta gamma. So now substitute here. S1 equal to how much here? A. That equal to A into, that is A square minus S1 S2. That is S2 is how much here? B. Minus 2B. Next minus S1. S1 is what here? A. Here alpha square, beta square, gamma square we can write here. That is already we discussed now only S1 square minus 2S2. Already 1 S2 is there. Already 1 S2 is there. So here, so how much here? S1 square minus 3S2. S1 square minus here A into S1 square minus 3S2 plus 3S3 plus 3S3. So that equal to A square A cube minus 2AB minus A into S1 square minus now multiply here minus sorry next S1 write down here minus A into what is S1 here? S1 is A square, S2 is B minus 3B, S3 is what here? C, 3C. So that equal to A cube minus 2AB minus A cube minus and minus plus up to here what here? Up to here this one only. So that is minus 3AB minus into minus plus 3AB. Here plus 3AB. Next a minus is there, minus plus a minus 3C. So A cube cancel. So here 3AB minus 2AB is AB minus 3C. So AB minus 3C, which option is correct here? First option. Next one. If one root of the equation, x cube minus 9x square, x cube minus 9x square plus 26x minus 24 equal 0 is twice the other. Then the sum of the cubes of the cubes of those two roots is cubes of those two roots is. So first option 72 and the second option 253, third option 9, fourth option 9 by 64. Here what is given here? Suppose cubic equation, what are the roots here? Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots. But what is given? One root is twice of the other given. So one root is alpha, another root is what here? 2 alpha. So what are the roots here? Alpha, 2 alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Here alpha comma 2 alpha comma beta are the roots of x cube minus 9x square plus 26x minus 24 equal to 0. So here S1. So S1 equal to what here? Alpha plus 2 alpha plus beta equal to 9. So that is 3 alpha plus beta equal to, it is how much here? 9. Suppose this is the first equation. So what we have to find out here? is the other, then the sum of the squares of the those two roots. Means here, what are those roots here? Alpha square, 2 alpha square. So that is we have find out. Means we have find out alpha value. So S2 is how much here? Alpha into 2 alpha or 2 alpha square, 2 alpha into beta, 2 alpha beta. Next plus alpha beta equal to how much here? It is 26. So that is 2 alpha square plus 3 alpha beta equal to how much here? 26. Now solving 192. Solving 192. So here beta is there. First equation multiplies what here? 3 alpha. Multiply here 3 into 3 9 alpha square plus 3 alpha beta 27 alpha. 2 alpha square and 3 alpha beta equal to 26. Now subtracting here 9 minus 0, there is 7 alpha square equal to 27 alpha minus 26. So that implies 7 alpha square minus 27 alpha plus 26 equal 0. Factors here 7, 26 what are 26 2 into 13. 7 2 is 14, 14 13, 14 13 27. So this equal to we can write here 7 alpha square minus 14 alpha minus 13 alpha plus 26 equal 0. So 7 alpha common, alpha minus 2. So this is alpha, alpha minus 2 equal 0. So alpha equal to, so it is alpha, it is a fraction. So which is there? Alpha equal to 2. So alpha equal to what we have find out here? Square. We have find out here alpha square plus 2 alpha square. Alpha square 2 alpha square is alpha square plus 4 alpha square. So it is how much here? 5 alpha square. 5 alpha square is 2 square. 4 it is how much here? 20. It is how much here? 20. So alpha square 2 alpha 4 alpha square. Alpha square is 4. 4 4 is 16. Alpha square 4 5 alpha square. Alpha square is what here? 4. So it is 20. But options what is given here? What is the question? One root is given. Those two roots other than sum of the roots. So alpha equal to 2. Once you check here equation. So what is asked question is squares are cubes. Cubes. This is a cubes. So what is given here? Cubes of those two roots. Alpha cube 2 alpha whole cube. Alpha cube plus 8 alpha cube. This is 9 alpha cube. Alpha 2 cube is 8. 9 8 is 70. So first option. Next one. The product of the real roots. The product of the real roots of x square minus 8x plus 9 minus 8 by x plus 1 by x square equal to 0. First make it a form, it is an equation, means taking LCM here, x square into x square, that is x power 4 minus here 8x cube plus 9x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. So order is right on here, order x power 4 minus order is there. So product of the roots, alpha, beta, gamma, delta equal how much here? So here it is how much here? 1. S4, suffix 4, it is plus. Next one. So these are the problems.